welcome back to the channel. I'm Hank Strange. We are continuing our coverage of the 2016 SEMA show. We're looking at the Sergeant Rock vehicle from Stacey David. So check out staceydavid.com/Sergeant Rock. He's got lots of really cool info on there, lots of details about the paint job and all the parts he used for this build and how it came about. There's videos, etc. I've always been a fan of this, watched it on Gears. Stacey David is one of my favorite dudes. So I was, pleasantly surprised to find the Sergeant Rock vehicle at the show, since I watched all those shows as it came together from the very beginning and saw all the great work that he did. Okay, so check this out. If you watch Gears and you're a fan of Stacey David, this is the Sergeant Rock build at the SEMA show 2016. This is a beautiful truck. I think he built this thing probably a couple of years ago, but it's still awesome. Let me just fly around it here. So many cool things. I like the paint job, the artwork. Check out that nice pinup. I mean, I think these tires are just almost big enough. Look at the suspension on this thing. I don't even know what I'm looking at, but it's awesome. Dual machine gun setup on there. That's always fun. Everyone needs that. You need that for your commute. So we're in the paintless booth with the shovel. I think if you flip around on the other side, there's even a guitar that comes along with this that I've seen Stacey playing. Let's see if the guitar is here. Yep, there he goes. Check it out. Customized, comes with its own guitar. You can't knock that. Let's see if we can get a little sneak peek in the cabin. This side has an axe. The other side has the shovel, I think. In honor of those who served. All right, there we go. Sneak peek. Sergeant Rock at the 2016 SEMA show.